And now joining me to talk about Valentine's Day for singles is Dr. Nancy Wall. She's a certified matchmaker and life coach, Tampa Bay matchmakers. And boy, it seems like a sad holiday for the single people out there.
It is for those people who want to be in a relationship because the restaurants, TV, radio, everything is catering toward couples and that romantic love, but it's a day of love.
It can be any kind of love. Love for your children. In my case, my mother, she turns 79. I hope it's 79, Mom. She's going to kill me, but on Valentine's Day.
Yes, it's a day to remember all those good things in your life, the love of family, friends, your pets, nature, your surroundings, all the good things.
All the things that you love in general. How about making plans if you are single and don't have anyone in particular to do something with? What should you do?
Depending on the type of person you are, do you like to be around crowds? So go out with your girlfriends, go out with family, go do something you really enjoy. If you like to be home, if you like to be alone, then pamper yourself. Take a hot bath, manicure, pedicure, listen to good music, cook a great meal. Do something that you really enjoy doing and make it your tradition for the holiday.
Instead of sitting around and feeling sorry for yourself, do something nice for yourself. Turn it around, right?
Why feel sorry for yourself? It's a great day of love, and you have to love yourself.
You said it's also a good thing to keep in mind that you'd rather be alone than with the wrong person. Isn't that the truth?
Very true. Remember Fatal Attraction and all those movies and that kind of thing? It feels sad to be alone on this day, but think about all the negatives, perhaps, if you're newly single in the relationship that was not healthy for you, and turn that around and say, but now I can start and live my life in a very positive, healthy way.
And let all your loved ones know that you're thinking about them.
Absolutely.
Doesn't just have to be romantic love. I like that. That's a good message. All right, Dr. Nancy Wall, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.